Imagine feeling the morning sunshine on your face and the breeze blowing through your helmet as you pedal toward your office instead of sitting at another red light in your car mentally calculating if you'll make it in time for your first meeting. Riding your bike to work is an easy way to simultaneously build physical activity and outdoor time into your day without eating up more of your time. Moreover, research shows that active commuting, such as cycling, improves exercise capacity, maximal power, blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and waist circumference. Today we are going to review 5 best commuting bike of this year, and we are going to start our list with Highland 700C hybrid bicycle. You don't have to be female for the Highland 700C hybrid bicycle to be a great choice for your commuter bike. Though it has more of a women's frame geometry, this is a comfortable commuter bike for anyone looking for a reliable set of wheels at a good value. It has a 17.5-inch step-through height, which makes it suitable for riders from 5' to 6 feet tall. There is also a 20.5-inch frame option for taller riders. The Highland 700C hybrid bicycle has an aluminum frame and a manageable weight. It can be carried up and down stairs fairly easily. The bike has 24 speeds with an aluminum Shimano gear system, enabling smooth riding over hilly roads. With front suspension and fork disc brakes, the Highland feels safe, sturdy, and comfortable. The full-size wheels make for an efficient, stable ride over even bumpy roads. You can easily add a rear rack, kickstand, and lights to accessorize the bike and make it more commuter-friendly. And as always, the link is in the description. If you're looking for a commuting bike that will get you to your workplace faster and with less effort, you might be best served by an e-bike. With an e-bike, you can pedal and travel under your own power or opt to engage a motor for an assisted ride. E-bikes are popular choices for those with longer commutes, people who are less fit, or those who just want the security of some supplemental transportation power. The Anchair 26 inches aluminum electric bike has 26-inch wheels covered with thick, nearly 2-inch, high-volume cruiser tires for an exceptionally smooth ride. The e-bike is equipped with a 250 watts, 36 volts, motor and a large capacity 12.5Ah lithium-ion battery, which can be charged on or off the bike. This combination can power a 35-mile ride at 16 miles per hour. The aluminum frame of the bike has a low step-through height for easy mounting and dismounting, with a front suspension fork to add to the comfort over uneven terrain. The bike has front and rear mechanical disc brakes and 6 speeds to help you crest hills on your own. As with most e-bikes, you can ride in one of 3 modes: normal bike, e-bike, or assisted bike. When riding assisted, you can top out at about 45 miles on a single charge. Finally, the Anchair electric bike can support 330 pounds. Folding bikes have already come a long way since their inception. They offer the advantage of being more portable and compact than standard bikes, making them an attractive commuting bike for those who live in apartments or work where outdoor bike storage is not possible. The Schwinn Loop folding bike strikes a balance between convenience and functionality. It's small enough that it can even be folded and stored in the included nylon bag, but it is large enough that you won't feel like a circus clown peddling a toy to the office. The frame is constructed from durable steel and folds to a compact 30 by 32 by 11 inches. The Schwinn Loop has a 7-speed twist shifter, which provides smooth gear changes and makes the bike serviceable for even relatively hilly commutes, depending on your fitness level. The front and rear linear pull brakes are also highly responsive. The Schwinn Loop has 20-inch alloy wheels outfitted with smooth street tires, making the bike suitable for road riding and transportation more than intense fitness rides. Adding to its suitability for commuting, the bike has a rear carrier rack to stow your work bag. Like all Schwinn bikes, there's a limited lifetime warranty. Again, the link is in the description. The Volano Diverse 3.0 Performance Hybrid Road Bike is a reliable set of wheels for commuting to and from work, running errands, or crushing a long fitness ride. We found it to be very responsive and high-performing, and it is a good value at its moderate price point. The aluminum alloy frame feels lightweight yet durable, and the overall geometry feels optimally ergonomic, even on long rides. At only 26.5 pounds, the bike feels like a racehorse compared to many hybrid bikes, and accordingly, feels easier to ride. There are full-size, 700cm wheels on the Volano Diverse 3.0 Performance Hybrid Road Bike for efficient riding, and the frame itself is available in numerous sizes to ensure you get the proper fit. Disc brakes provide reliable stopping, and with 24 gears, even the steepest hills should be no problem. It's easy to add a rear rack to the bike, which vastly improves its functionality as a commuting bike. The included seat is somewhat uncomfortable, but that can be easily replaced. The Schwinn Discover hybrid bike earns the top spot for the most durable, reliable commuting bike. It has an aluminum frame, which comes in several sizes, and a neutral geometry that enables a pretty universally appropriate fit. The frame feels sturdy, but the bike is rather heavy. The suspension fork and suspension seat post make for a smooth ride over uneven terrain and roads that ache to be paved. Hilly commutes should be no problem with the 21-speed SRAM grip shifter, rear derailleur, and alloy twist shifters, and with 28-inch wheels, you won't have to pedal like a madman to get where you want to go. This bike can easily serve as a fitness bike when you're not heading to or from your job. There are alloy linear pull brakes with 4-finger brake levers for reliable stopping. Finally, the Schwinn Discover hybrid bike has fenders to keep mud off your work clothes, a comfortable seat, a rear rack to stow your stuff, and ergonomic handlebars. We also love the limited lifetime warranty available on all Schwinn bikes. It's time to make the decision which one to get. Check the link in the description to check the price and get yours. If you like this review, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button below. We'll see you in the next AdvisorBit video. Till then, have fun.